In this video, I want to show you how to enable or disable or to remove an extension on Google Chrome. So for example, if you have like an Adblock, Honey, Skype, Tamper Monkey, uBlock, whatever extension you have, I'm going to show you how to do that now. So of course, make sure you're logged into your Chrome account, and on the very upper right here where it's got the three little dots, you can go ahead and click that. That's your menu button. You can go all the way down where it says More Tools, and then you can hover over here to the left, and you're going to go to Extensions. And so you should see all your apps, your extensions rather, for Google Chrome here. So for example, I have Adblock right now enabled. So to disable it, simply the only thing I have to do is just click on it and make it white. If I wanted to re-enable, I just click blue. Now of course, if I just want to completely remove it, I just click remove, and it's that simple. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe.